Hi everyone. I want to show you today our new platform, AVELIN GPT. So, it will be a quick overview, and I will just show some features that we have here, and for the future, like dive-ins on this every single feature. We will see each other later in the future videos. So. It looks pretty much like ChatGPT, and it has few different modes. We can have file search, so we attach this platform to our file system. It can be a drive or something. Then we have a web search, so we are searching externally on the internet. Then we can add some artifacts, create some custom prompts, and etc. I will tell about it a bit later. And we have MCP services. Those services are allowing our platform to connect to external tools and make some actions there. For example, add contacts, add some events to our calendar, send messages, or just check our Gmail. We can give some tasks what to do with that. So, additionally, as most of the chats we have microphone that we can use to talk. We can select attach files to work with, and we can have a temporary chat mode. Let's go further. We can check our settings, and in these settings we can a bit adjust the chat, like personalize it a bit. So theme, language, like auto scroll to the last message, and make some markdown of the messages, and etc. We can it was general one. We can do some changes here if we interested in that. So font size, we can talk about like save drafts locally. We can make like temporary chat as a default, etc. Like there are a lot of different options that we can personalize. We have some like hotkeys, some commands that will make our life easier. And for example, I will show but a bit later, but we can create pre-made prompts for some tasks that we're doing very often. And for example, it can be very extensive to type it every time and like very difficult. And we can create a prompt, give it a name, and just choose this prompt every time we need it. We have speech, and we can choose voice. We can choose like language that will be used there. And as you can see, there are a few voices. You can choose like SMR and meditation, something serious and direct. So it's not just a voice; it's a tone of voice, the way it will be talking to you. And personalization, there is memory, and we can add later I will show you how we can add some information that we want our chat to remember about us, to know about us. There's some data control, and just delete an account and show username. Let's go further. Here we have another bar with different tools and everything. So prompts that I told you about before, and those prompts can be created here. You just click create a prompt. You're writing this prompt, and like you can add some variables. It's in the further videos I will dive into it and explain how exactly can we do that. But yes, like you just name it, you write text, and there's some information how you can make it even more flexible. So go back to chat. And when you need this prompt, you can evoke it inside the chat. We have memories. In these memories, as you can see, I created some short ones, and this memory is something can be, for example, I prefer short answers. I don't like very long ones, so I ask for no what's her over explanation and everything, and it gives me a bit shorter than usual like Gemini or ChatGPT. And if you don't like the result, you can work on it a bit more and find the best way, the best mode that you want to have, and personalize it here. We can attach files, so it will remember some information about us. We have bookmarks. Bookmarks, we can start a chat. For example, let's see, let's check my email. If you want to check an email, we can attach these tools. For me, like it will be Gmail, and I can ask, can you check my email? We sent it. And as you can see, since we started the chat, there is an icon, add to bookmarks. And create a new bookmark, and we write like title, description, and save it. For example, emails. And I saved it. So all the information, like all the chats that related to emails will be there. And after I can come here and access this chat is easier. And as you can see, since I connected my email, we can see that it got there, and it sent me some of the latest messages that I haven't read. And then I can do something about it. For example, I can ask to unsubscribe. Subscribe from what we have here, affiliation or something like that. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, to be honest. Yeah. Now it's thinking. So, and like if we're interested, we can see how exactly it's done. Like if you're a bit more technical than me. And yes, it says that it's sent it to trash and unsubscribed from it. So all the future emails from this sender will not be received. It's additionally to that, we can export and share this any actually of our conversations. So we have like ability to share it, we have an ability to rename it, duplicate it, archive it, or delete it, which is I believe very useful if you work a lot with AI. Quite often like this part becomes very crowded. And we can add multi-conversation. Actually, it's a very interesting feature. You add another AI inside, like another AVELIN, and you can, for example, ask, can you draft an email to spelling issues to let's see who we have here. For example, some awesome screenshot, some of the recent tools. And thank for their services. Uh, I want a few options. And as you can see, at the same time, like we have kind of two chats inside one. So we are simultaneously running two AIs doing the same job to compare results. And again, as you can see the code behind. So everything is very accessible, nothing is hidden. You can see the process from beginning till the end. So, and it gives you some options. And right now, since I asked for a few options, it sent me here. But if you just ask create a draft in email, you can receive it directly in your email in the draft folder. See you in the next videos, and I will dive into every single feature that we have here, and I will show you how exactly to use it and what other opportunities and how you can automate your workflow with this tool.